Good morning. Day 3 it is today, isn't it? The Cameron's Corner. 200 k's of dirt via Tibooburra. Should be fun.
G'day, my name is Jay Calloway and I'm here with Rob and Sally, who have been driving their hybrid Outlander through the Australian Outback. And right now we're at White Cliffs in the underground hotel called...
White Cliffs Underground Hotel.
Funny that. Sydney Harbour, yeah. Sydney Harbour Opera House, you know, the usual gig for naming Sydney things.
Bridge. Mountains of the Blue.
White Cliffs is a mining town. Oh, Waka Clay is an opal mining town for all those tourists who come to buy opals from Sydney's best stores.
Isn't that where you see how high we are? Underground we are.
Not here, it was the other town where they found dinosaurs.
Yeah. But first, a quick run into town to top up the fuel before heading to Tibooburra. And a dead bug removal session. Twingy National Park. Tibooburra, 250 k's. Just passing a small forest here on the right. Woke up then. Yeah. Dodging feral wildlife. And a few deeper river crossings. And muffler men on toilets. Can you spot the spelling mistake?
How do you play back?
How would you cross this creek crossing? Would you go for the middle, the left hand side, or the right hand side? Yeah, we do. Doesn't seem too bad. Okay, so stay in the middle?
I think you stay in the middle, you'll be alright.
Okay. We send the Hilux through first in case the Outlander gets bogged in the mud. It actually turned out to be quite shallow, very hard bottom, but it really stank. Okay, now we made it to the Silver City Highway and the RFDS emergency runway built onto the highway, and it's not every day you get to drive up the middle of the runway. And I think that's a domestic terminal. And a quick stop at the town of Milparinka for lunch. Yeah, this place was first settled in the 1800s and features a few old restored buildings, which is pretty cool. But we might head back to the pub now for lunch. Yeah, it didn't take us long to figure out it was Good Friday, the entire town was deserted and the pub was closed. Yeah, but at least the wind around here was having fun on the swings. Yeah, around about 10 k's out from Tibooburra, the scenery becomes very flat.
So on the horizon there, just to the left, you should be able to see a tower on top of the hill. That's Tibooburra.
Cameron's Corner that way. You better go that way, or what?
Yeah.
Yeah. Welcome to Tibooburra.
Okay, now here we are, 1,400 kilometres from Sydney, and the price of fuel ain't too bad. With the White Cliffs, Tibooburra, 44% EV driving, 6.7 litres, 100 k's average. Quick check of the road conditions out the Cameron Corner. Quick stop for a few more photos, then it's out to the corner itself.
138 kilometres to Cameron's Corner.
Now the scenery from Tibooburra to Cameron's Corner changes quite a lot. It starts off with these rolling hills, if you could call them that, into what I call the Mars Plains. Looks like you're driving across Mars.
This road's pretty damn good.
How are you going with the corrugations?
What corrugations? I didn't even know there was corrugations. Put it that way.
Out on these plains, there really is nothing to see in every direction. To me, it seems like you really are driving across the surface of Mars. the scenery quickly changes to the dune country, crossing countless sand dunes, dune after dune after dune. You also have to remember these are sand dunes, and some of them can be quite sandy.
Very, very soft at the top of this right-hander.
Then you suddenly arrive at the Waka Clay pan. Great place for some photos and videos. Just a shame the wind ruined the silence of this place. Then you suddenly cross one last sand dune, and you're at Cameron's Corner and the dingo fence, the longest fence in the world. Now crossing a dingo fence and the gate, which must always be closed. And welcome to South Australia. And arriving at Cameron's Corner store. Ooh, the silence of electric drive.
G'day, we made it to Cameron Corner.
Okay.
Welcome to Cameron's Corner, Queensland.
Hey, g'day.
Well, here we are, Cameron's Corner, finally, in our plug-in hybrid EV Mitsubishi Outlander. Anyway, from White Cliffs to here, probably about 400 kilometres total, all on dirt. Our EV average today was 35%, and using 8 litres per 100 k's, which isn't actually too bad considering the quality of the roads you have to drive when you get out here. Anyway, time to go to the pub. Corner.
It was pretty cool. 3 days of hard driving across dirt road. Mainly like one full day of dirt road driving. Very, very bumpy. Those little corrugations in the road really bumped the car around. But we're here now, being in South Australia, New South Wales and Queensland, within 5 minutes.
Yeah, still in basically at Cameron's Corner. I'm currently standing in South Australia, about half an hour time zone behind Queensland and New South Wales. That green up there for this golf course, which is actually a golf course fairway, believe it or not, South Australia. South Australia. If I turn behind me over there, you see the pub. The pub is actually in Queensland, which is actually half an hour behind the time here. And if you look down there, that corner past that white sign in that corner, that's New South Wales.